What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I'm going to make McDonald's pancake, and this pancake recipe is super easy and very delicious to make. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in this recipe, I'm adding 2 eggs, but you can substitute egg with some yogurt and vinegar. Here you go guys, our McDonald's pancake is ready to enjoy. Enjoy it with your favorite syrups like maple syrup, honey, or you can have just like that. And that's all for today guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.